Okay guys, Mike here from Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you live from the Week to Wicked set. We're wrapping up what's, getting stuff done on the 55 Chevy. We installed the Core Sport. This is the hot rods by Dean, AC and radiator setup with the fans and everything. This is available from Danchuk. It's a really clean setup. This is how it comes, all black powder coated. And let's go ahead and kind of walk around here and take a look at what's going on. There's a lot of activity going on. This is day 4, so people are just kind of going to town on it and getting a lot of stuff. So there's a lot of activity going on. And the TMI guys are sitting there just going to town, getting the interior. They're laying down the foundation. They're doing the carpet work right now. They had to do a little work on the tunnel over there. Modified the tunnel to clear the shifter a little bit better for the center console that they're going to be bringing in. We've got some guys over here working on the fuel system. Looks like some last minute tweaks they're having to do, so they've been messing with that for the last couple hours. Looks like they're about to wrap that up. Come walking around here to the back. Again, lots of things going on. Of course, there's that panel, that trunk panel kit that TMI did. Neat little kind of retro style with the plaid going on there. Come around here. Looks like they got some floor mats down here. There we go. All coming together, guys. All coming together. Just a beautiful car, beautiful motor, beautiful brakes. This is all top line stuff here. CPP's really knocking it out of the park on this one. Of course, with the help of a lot of sponsors like Danchuk Manufacturing. Once this front end gets on here, you're going to see a lot more influence from Danchuk Manufacturing. You got our door handles and our mirrors there, our side stainless. Eventually the taillights are going to go on. Switch places here. Aaron's doing some fitting on the inner fenders. Aaron Hamusek from Orange County Hot Rods on board for the build. Anyways, we're cranking along here. Things are progressing really nice. So stay tuned for some more updates. This is Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing. Stay tuned for more updates.